saw you yesterday, but I didn't stop, cause you was walking the opposite way.
Hey, this is Brando. This is my bike check. In front, I'm riding a Demolition Phantom front wheel with two MK3 hub guards, G-Sport, Shadow Conspiracy Little One pegs, some nice valve caps I made from game board pieces I took from school. I got a Clash Stream forks, animal headset, profile acoustic stem, Demolition PA bars, nice ODI long neck grips with animal bar ends. Got a custom. I got a S&M frame, S&M Randy Brown in 20.5 with a Decode DG seat. I don't know what kind of seat post I got, but I got some nice zebra tape on there. Demolition Revolt crank. Second pair, because the first pair was broken. Didn't come fully welded. I got a Terrible One Logan's Run sprocket, stolen Thermalite pedals, Animal PC bottom bracket mid, Shadow Conspiracy half link, Primo Bounce back wheel with another one of those valve caps I made. This one's red. Primo drive side hub guard with more Shadow Conspiracy Little One specs. United Squad hub guard on this side. I'm riding Fit FAF tires, Danwall 20 by 2.10. And yeah, that's my bike check. Here's some tricks.
Crazy cause I miss you, and when you left I didn't see it coming. I guess I slept, it ain't like you was running. You crept out the front door slow, and I was so self-absorbed I didn't even know. And by the time I looked up, it was booked up. Put it all behind you, the bad and the good stuff. A whole house full of dreams and steps. I think you'd be impressed with the pieces I kept. You disappeared, but the history is still here. That's why I try not to cry over spilled beer. I can't even get mad that you're gone. Leaving me was probably the best thing you ever taught me. I'm sorry, it's official. I was a fistful, I didn't keep it simple. Chip on the shoulder, anger in my veins has so much hatred. Now it brings me shame. Never thought about the world without you, and I promise that I'll never